Hi, this is Vanessa, and in this quick video I am going to show you how to bind off or cast off with a crochet hook. Here I have a project that I'm finishing up and I want to cast off. So these are 15mm needles, so I want to use a 15mm hook. So you want to insert your hook into the first stitch as if you're knitting, okay, and then you want to yarn over and then pull up a loop. So that would be, and then slide it off. So that would be like your first knit stitch. Okay, so now you want to insert your hook into the second stitch as if to knit, yarn over, and you want to pull through and then through the loop on your hook as well, and then make sure you slide that off. Okay, so in crochet terms you're sort of working a slip stitch. So you're inserting knitwise, yarn over, pull through, and then you can slide that off and pull through the loop on your hook. So into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through and through. Okay, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through and through. So you would repeat inserting your hook into the next stitch knitwise, yarning over, pulling through and through. Okay, so I have 3 more stitches. I'm just going to slip stitch through these loops knitwise. Okay, here's my last one. And pull through. So you want to work one final yarn over and pull it all the way through. Okay, and that is how you cast off or bind off with a crochet hook. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.